Hey guys, today I have a video for you. a pedal tractor. Sorry, it's the long video. Didn't have enough time to wash it off before I took a video. It's for it's their basic pedal tractor, and if you've never seen a pedal tractor before, I'll have a picture of one of it in the description. Maybe. Hang on, I'll be right back. And I'm back. I just had to get it out of there, which was a mess. Pain in the butt. Oh. Okay. You got basics. Steering wheel, pedals, just like a bike. Right here used to be a gear shift. Your little thing button. I use this one for starting it. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I always love doing that. Looks like your AMP. Think that's your heat or temperature. Here's your tack, and then oil pressure right here. Up there's oil pressure. Cause my thing has really fuzzy. Like when you get really close to it, it doesn't read words very well. Right here's a little button. But it doesn't actually work. I'll just get back here and look at this. There's that. And I'm gonna drive it around for you, so yeah. Oops. This might be a little hard for me. One more. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. So please comment, like, subscribe, and